guys, welcome to Ole SmokinSteve's. Today we're going to be cooking some chicken breasts, and we're going to be cooking them with a sous vide cooker. Those of you who may not know what sous vide is, it's cooking your food in a sealable bag submerged in a container of water, and the sous vide cooker actually heats that water up and circulates that water and cooks that meat. And we're not boiling the meat, we're not boiling it. To boil, you need that water temperature to be 212, and the range on my Inkbird is 77 degrees to 210, so there's no way it's even going to get up hot enough to boil that water. So the reason we like to use a sous vide is because you can cook at lower temperatures, and the longer you cook that meat, the more tender it's going to be. And plus, you don't have to babysit the thing. You can turn this thing on. If you're cooking a brisket or whatever, you can set the temperature, set it for 48 hours, and walk away. There's no need to tend to fire, set dampers, put more charcoal, put more wood in. There's nothing to do except wait. So we're going to get these chicken breasts all prepped up and get them ready to go. So we'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, we got three nice sized chicken breasts here, boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And what we're going to be using today is this Suckle Busters Hog Waller Honey. Okay, it's labeled for pork and ribs, but it's also good on chicken. So we're going to put a good coat of that on these chicken breasts. Okay, I'm going to do both sides. Okay, I'm going to lay these aside here, and then we're going to take this lime that I got sitting here. I'm going to rinse my hands off here. Okay, we're going to take this lime and grater here and get a little zest on these chicken breasts. Okay, let's get this third breast over here. Get a little zest on this guy. Okay, now we're going to put those in a bag. And I'm going to cut that lime open and squeeze some lime juice in that bag. Okay, I got all three breasts in this bag here, and I got my lime cut. And let's just squeeze some of that juice in there. Okay guys, what I'm going to do here is add a little smoke in here in this bag along with these chicken breasts. And I got this little smoke gun here. You put the wood chips right in here. And I already have a few of them in there. And this is what I'm using, hickory. And as you can see, real tiny pieces. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and stick this end in the bag. Okay. Oops. I'm going to give this a little light. We'll turn that blower on first. Give it a little light. As you can see, that bag's filling up with smoke. Okay. Turn that blower off. Close that bag up. As you can see, we got plenty of smoke in our bag here, and we're letting that sous vide heat up, and hopefully some of this hickory smoke will penetrate those chicken breasts a little bit before we start cooking. And you know, I will let all that smoke out and all the air out of the bag when it's cooking. So let's let that set and let the water get heated up, and we'll get to cooking here in a minute. Okay guys, as you can see, we're up to temperature. Set the temperature for 149 and the timer for 1 hour and 45 minutes. So now that we're up to temperature, we can get that bag put in the water bath here and show you how that's done. Okay, we're going to lower this bag in, and we got the bag open on the top. And as we lower that bag, we're letting that water displace the air in the bag. Okay, so all that air in the bag is coming out through the top. So then we seal the bag. As you can see, all the air is out. Lower that in there. And we're going to clamp it on the top here in a couple places. And we're off and running. She's cooking at 149 degrees and 1 hour and 45 minutes. She'll be done. So there's no babysitting, nothing to do but wait. And what you put in here is going to cook evenly, small pieces, thick pieces, whatever. It's all going to cook to 149 degrees, and even if you left it in there for 4 hours and let it cook, it's not going to overcook. Now the longer you leave it in, the more tender it's going to be, and if you leave it in too long, it's liable to be a little mushy on you. But 1 hour and 45 minutes, we ought to be good. So we're going to come back and check on it when it's done, and I'm going to put a little sear on there. Be sure to stick around and see how we do that. And then we're going to be doing a taste test. Okay, 1 hour and 45 minutes is up. I took the bag out and added a little smoke to the bag. We're going to let that smoke penetrate those chicken breasts a little bit longer. Let it in there for 4 or 5 minutes. Then we're going to take those 3 breasts out and put them on a big green egg and put a little heat to them just to brown them up a bit. We don't want a real serious sear on them, just to brown them up a bit, give them a little bit of color. So let's go out to the big green egg and show you what we're going to do. Okay guys, we got our chicken breasts on the grill here. We're just browning them up here a little bit with our torch. I didn't want to light the grill up and get the charcoal all lit up and all that stuff, just to brown them up a little bit. So we're doing it this way. We don't really want to cook them, just brown them up a bit. Pick that up on your screen or not, but this is brown the chicken breasts up just a tad bit, just to give it a little bit of color. Okay guys, got these chicken breasts inside now. After browning them up a little bit with my torch. And I did cut into it. Cut one in half here. I want to show this to you. It's cooked evenly, and I don't know whether you can see those juices in there or not. Hopefully you can, but it really looks juicy. As a matter of fact, it's dripping. And I got me a little piece cut off here for a taste test. Right here. Okay. This is my favorite part, guys. We're going in. Tender. Really tender. Juicy. Nice flavor from that Suckle Buster's Hog Waller and Honey. Small, slight citrus taste from that lime. And just a hint of that hickory smoke going on. So guys, this is a winner. It's really a winner. This sous vide cooking, I like it. I like it a lot. You can set it, forget it, walk away, go to the beach, go golfing, cut the yard, whatever you want. You come back after setting your temperature and your time, and the food is done. I can't wait to start cooking more on this thing and posting more videos. So be sure to subscribe, like, and share, and be sure to ring that bell for notifications. And hopefully we'll see you on the next one.